So this is a Singer Simple sewing machine, and it is a cute little lightweight portable sewing machine. So like it's pretty, like this is my hand. I mean, it is heavier, but it's a sewing machine. So, but in comparison to like the bigger ones, it is pretty lightweight. It has 45 stitches. It's got a little light, obviously right there. It turns on as soon as you like power it on. So switch is just right there. I really like that both of these cords are connected, because I've had sewing machines before that it isn't connected and then you lose the foot, so that's annoying. And also it's got a pretty long like cord going probably about like 3 feet, 4 feet long, which is pretty decent. It's got all the different stitches, it's got different stitch length. It's easy to like wind the bobbin, and it's also easy to like do the putting the yarn onto them as well. Very good for like someone who's just like starting out or wants something that is like really small in space, but it is a great machine. It is fabulous. I love the Singer sewing machines, so they're my favorite. It has one like buttonhole setting, so you can do buttonholes. You can get it in white or black, and it came with a manual as well. I just don't have it, but you can also just look it up online too, which is really, really nice. So yeah, it's a very cute little machine, and it's got like a little spot here where you can keep stuff to, all the different little things that came with it. So yeah, I really don't have any like qualms about it, especially like for like price wise. Like if you really want to get into the sewing, this is what I would pick. This is definitely my recommendation if you're getting into sewing, or even if you're like getting back into it, because like I've done sewing for a long time and this is a great machine. So yeah, fabulous little Singer sewing machine.